Have a look at the best pink tropical plants and grow them indoors or in the garden for a vibrant pop of color. Snow White Waffle. First on the list of pink tropical plants, it has long hanging leaves that cascade down with a pretty pink-purple shine to them. Imperial Red Philodendron. These pink tropical plants are known for its stunning leaves that display a variety of colors. The leaves have a beautiful blend of pink, green, and black, creating a captivating pattern. Pretty pink Caladium. The leaves of these tropical plants have a beautiful pink color that makes them look even more attractive. Caladium Pink Splash and Caladium Thai Beauty are also great. Aglaonema Pink. Native to tropical regions of Asia and New Guinea, this Chinese evergreen plant has won awards for its outstanding features. Begonia Inca Flame. These pink tropical plants come from Central and South America. This variety has large pink leaves with eye-catching ruffles. Syngonium Pink Neon. Neon robusta is from the tropical rainforest of the Americas and can grow well in warmer climates. The leaves of this plant are shaped like hearts and have a pattern of pink. Pink Mother of Millions. This variety of calico produces plantlets that look like butterflies, and they have a beautiful pink color. Pink Arrowhead Plant. These pink tropical plants come from the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. They have light green and pink leaves with vibrant pink veins running through them. Pink Wandering Jewel. This tropical houseplant stands out because of its leaves that have beautiful patterns and colors. The leaves are bright pink and have unique variegations. Pink Begonia. This pink cultivar has beautiful leaves with a mix of pink and green colors. The foliage is variegated, meaning it has different shades and patterns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!